Making amends, day 30 of 64 days of ways to peace. And you could tell I'm out on my motorcycle indeed, and that is in effect making a little bit of amends because I have been not honoring my little inner wild child, and she has been missing the road, especially in the beautiful weather today, 84 degrees, and so I'm a little bit making amends with her. But what is making amends? It's kind of taking that thing of forgiveness and inverting it so that in a sense we are we're fixing something that a mistake that we might have made, and an error or a blunder, an unkindness. It's where we need to sort of make an offer to repair the damage that we might have done. And I say might have because sometimes we're unaware that we have been offensive and that we have hurt someone. And if we don't listen, we've spoken about listening, if we don't listen, we may never hear the hurt. And it is not really our prerogative to know fully the wounds that another being has and how we may hurt them. I mean, what we do may be completely unintentional, or it may be quite violent and quite aggressive. I think that sometimes we realize that we have erred and we will not ever be in a position to physically make the amends, to do something to fix it, to correct it, to make a sufficient apology, and then what can we do? Can we create another kind of amends, an amend that we dedicate to the healing process? In the Chekhov work, we work with the ideal self, and we believe that we can see the ideal self in each person. So I can imagine, I can bring forth this character in my imagination, and I can make my offering to them. And sometimes we don't really fully realize the full potential of what might have happened. For example, I've shared that I had some rough times in my life, and 50 years ago I was living with an abusive alcoholic in a daily state of terror for my life. I didn't know if I would survive. And I was in a phase where I was within a 1-year period where the police said I could file charges based on the time that they rescued me. And I debated deeply about that because I didn't want that young man to have this mark on his record that would affect his entire life. And ultimately I did not file those charges, and it was another 2 years before I could escape from that situation, and I had to turn for significant assistance to do that. I did learn that that man was brutal to other women, and so how do I make amends to them? We don't know if I had filed charges, and I accept that they have made their series of choices, etc. But for me, I needed to do what I could to make amends, to work with abused women in a healing capacity, to support organizations and things that go to educate, uplift, and I have that's an example of an effort to make amends that not even clear to whom, but I know that what goes around comes around. That's a biker's creed. My little inner wild child is very clear that we need to find a balance. We need to look at the karma of our misdeeds and do what we can, and that is a very broad environment. I want to mention today, I'm going to flip this around so you can see part of my amends today is taking myself to the theater, because I was cloistered here, to see a bull in a china shop at Amphibian Stage in Fort Worth. And I love that sideline, which is, well-behaved women seldom make history. And I definitely fall in the not necessarily well-behaved. So I may have a few drivers out there that I made a little nervous today out on my ride, and please forgive me. And I made amends by behaving quite nicely in the latter part of my ride. Seriously, folks, making amends to yourself when if you have not been kind enough to yourself, making amends to others, and allowing others to make amends to you, to accept their offer. Right? Doesn't mean you allow them to go on causing you harm. Doesn't mean that. But ultimately, the peace that you get by making amends, whether you're able to do that in person or through another, by passing it on, paying it forward, paying it backward to somebody else, making amends will help you work toward a feeling of inner peace and long-lasting peace about every step that you take. So let's make amends.